730 days as a YouTuber is actually really quite easy. 730 days as a successful YouTuber, well, that's another story. Let me explain. Hey there, budding Campfire guitar heroes, it's Dene again, and this is a super quick video just to celebrate my 2 years on YouTube. I've learned that building a YouTube channel was much more difficult than what most people realise. It requires a lot of hard work, lots of patience, perseverance, but irrespective of these challenges, it's infinitely rewarding. I get a lot of really positive comments, and that means the world to a real small channel like mine. So firstly, to all of you that follow this channel and support me on Patreon, a massive thank you. Now I'm going to keep this short as to what to expect in year 3 on Campfire Guitar Hero. You're going to see a few slight changes from me in upcoming videos. I'm still trying to work out the format, the flow, the content, whatever works for you guys. I mean, here's a recent example. This video had an audience retention rate of only 15%. I mean, that absolutely sucks. That means most people just watched it for a few seconds and then switched off. So I need to do something about that, because that means that video in particular was really boring. I've heard that between 50 and 70% retention rate is a good number, so that's what I've got to aim for. So I'll continue to introduce and test a few new elements and boost that audience retention rate, which means I'm making more interesting videos for you guys. Alright, I'm also about to release my second Campfire guitar songbook as well, featuring all the songs from my lessons I did in year 2 on YouTube. And like the first one, it's going to be free to download for you guys, although there is an option for you to contribute a small amount of a value that you nominate if you want to. So keep an eye out for that one. I'll announce it in upcoming videos and it'll be available for you to download. And I'm going to post a few more videos targeting the players like myself, left-handers playing on a right-hand strung guitar. Believe it or not, there's a few of us out there, and I think what I do would really hit the mark with that small niche audience. But I still want to continue bringing those forgotten songs we all love to remember for the wider audience who just want to learn how to play great Campfire guitar songs. I'm also going to share a few more insights to the story behind the channel. I'll use the YouTube post feature as a way of showing you what it takes to build a YouTube channel and be a guitar YouTube channel. From firstly identifying songs that you want to share, or a sequence of songs, to learning the song, to interpreting my own way, then running the script, filming, editing, going to lots of thumbnails and catch attention, right through to publishing, promoting video, and building a channel, making changes, and of course I'm constantly learning how to play the guitar better, and also learning how to do YouTube better, improving my skills. There's heaps to do. I think it's really fun, and I'll give you some of those insights as well. And just like you, I'm continuing to learn how to get better at playing guitar. We're all on our own guitar journey, doesn't matter what level we're at. And as long as we keep loving to play it, let's do it together, let's learn together. But one thing will always remain the same. I'll continue to bring you those forgotten songs we all love to remember, and I'll try and bring them to you in the easiest way possible to play them, so you can get up and running as a player and as a singer, as simple and as easy as possible. So that's it, folks. Thank you for your continued support and viewership. Leave me a comment if you've got any suggestions or feedback on what I could or should be doing on year 3 on Campfire Guitar Hero. So I'll see you again next week, and I'm going to sign off with my original channel tagline. At Campfire Guitar Hero, all you need is a few chords, a few friends, maybe a few drinks, and everyone's a rock star.